an actual.
Okay, let's go.
break.
I'm
But,
back
like,
in the
not a
video,
virus,
guys,
but
yet
it
again.
is.
Wait. Let me go to Discord because my sister sent me a link to something.
Okay, can I borrow the
I
headset?
don't want them to see the link.
Oh, my headset doesn't work like that.
Jimmy, they don't.
Okay.
We are gonna play some Booga Booga.
Hello, guys. Back
and-
with another
Me and
video.
my friend
I'm
Jimmy are gonna PvP.
Okay, guys, we're back with another video. I'm yet again with a different YouTuber. Last time I was with Neon when I played Booga Booga. One of the other video YouTubers. She's a gacha YouTuber. Sub to her channel. I don't remember what it's called though. I'll put it in the description. A lot of times when I say that, I don't do it.
Okay, so me and my friend
Okay, hold on.
Jimmy. Say hello, Jimmy.
Hi.
He said hi. Yeah, me and him are just gonna PvP. That's it. Really? But I am gonna be uploading some other Roblox videos. Probably like Beast Farm, Build a Boat for Treasure, or something like that. Yeah. So, me and my friend Jimmy are gonna PvP today. Again. Yeah. Jimmy, where do you want to meet? Can you meet me in ice?
Skyrope. Oh, okay.
Booth, autoclicker. I can see if he's in. Yeah, he's in. Alright. I'll create a tribe. Okay, I just invited you, Jimmy. Okay. Come to my,
Okay, John, go to the middle.
no, come to my totem. We're gonna PvP there. And we're gonna PvP in a hut. I don't want to PvP in a hut.
I know we're not gonna PvP in a hut.
If you want some PvP tips, you
have to watch them, kids. Kids, if you want PvP tips, beg your parents to get boxing gloves and attack your big sister.
Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. No, seriously, but yeah, but if you want to PvP me, comment down below and then send me your username and then I will add
Just
you
kidding.
and then we can PvP. And comment who you want to PvP first, me or Jimmy.
That guy is so cringy. I don't even think that's a guy.
Okay.
A guy would not do that sort of cringe.
So
Yay.
yeah, Jimmy, come on.
They are? Both of them are guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so
this.
me and him are gonna PvP today.
Come on.
Can't wait to
This is his
destroy
sister.
him. Take
That's
all
his
the
the
loot.
brother, demon, like brother.
Hey guys, a little secret. I'm gonna turn on auto clicker.
So he's gay, lesbian.
Okay.
And then
Yeah. Jimmy, come on.
Yeah?
You here?
Yeah, coming.
Can't wait to clap you.
Okay. Bro, this kid wants to say he's gonna clap me. Ha! Guys, who do you think's gonna win this fight? Me or John? Comment down below.
Yeah, comment down below.
Bruh.
And also sub to
I-
J Plays.
Yeah!
The Stay chill.
Sub to JT Plays.
And by the way, my YouTube channel is all caps.
That's really stupid. How do cloudberries look? This game has changed.
Yeah, the game has changed. It updated it.
Cloudberries are actual clouds now. They're little balls. That sounds weird. Okay, guys,
Where are you?
don't unsub because I said that. I'm not trying to be inappropriate.
Yeah, he's not.
That's just what they're called.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
There is raw emerald.
Comment down below before it even happens, guys. You gotta comment down below. Don't watch the entire video and then be like, I know.
Me and him
Sometime
are just
I'm
gonna PvP.
when I get to 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a Robux giveaway.
Yeah. Robux giveaway, which is that's gonna be 2,500 Robux giveaway.
Nope, it's gonna be 6,000.
I'm gonna do 2,000.
6,000.
I'm
Sub
gonna
to
do
my
2,000.
channel if you want 6,000.
Sub to my channel if you want 2,000.
Snooze. That's laugh. Okay, you want a PvP?
No, not quite yet. Stop.
Okay. I'll
I'm
help
just
you.
destroying the shell.
I don't even have a pickaxe, but
But I want it. I want the shoot autoclicker on. Stop. Stop, Jimmy. Jimmy!
what? I don't even know. Help!
Jimmy's getting broken. Jimmy's broken. I'm just gonna break this
I'm
emerald shell
broken.
and then you want to PvP after.
Okay, I got out of my trance of breaking. Oh, I killed them both in one shot. Guys, I totally did it.
Stop not getting Jimmy. Jimmy!
John,
Jeez.
stop screaming in my videos.
I'm not even screaming in the video.
Yes, you are.
Alright, come on, let's go. Alright. I'll kick you from the tribe.
Well, I'll leave myself, because I quit. Let's bow PvP.
No, no bows, no building.
Okay,
Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
let's go.
That was a stupid idea. Try to baby hut me.
Yeah. Leave me alone. You just no clipped! No clips!
There's no room.
Comment down below if you saw him no clip. We all know. He wasted his wood shield really early, so I'm just gonna take it down.
So did you.
He hasn't even got one hit on me! Oh my god, this noob! Okay,
Stupid auto clicker.
he hasn't even got one hit on me.
You know what? Since it keeps on Xing me out of the page, I'm. What?
Classic PvP. Jimmy classically hits John. Back in the head. John jukes. And Jimmy does his final hit.
Jimmy
Dude, you want to actually PvP till death? Whatever's in your inventory, you won't lose. So I think that's good.
Actually, no. Emerald blades only. I'm just gonna drop all my stuff in the chest.
So am I. I'm hardcore now. Okay, that sounds so stupid, doesn't it? Drop all my stuff in the chest. I'm gonna bow you to death.
I'm just gonna drop my armor.
I'm gonna drop everything. Besides my...
Okay, don't take my armor. Okay, you ready? Ready to PvP?
Yeah. Dude, you're second.
Hey, no bows, no bows. No bows, no building. I said no building anyways. No bows or building, dude.
Okay, fine.
Can I have some food, please?
Okay, fine. The other really anything. Take some grapes. We've done surgery on these before. We have done surgery on a grape. Ah!
I'm purple grape.
You mean Thanos?
Yeah.
Thanos was one rough grape.
Alright,
John, eat that! No, you need more.
Oh.
Eat. I'll drop some food for you to eat. Just spam E. Spam E on the ground.
Okay.
I'm gonna drop it fast.
Jimmy tried to make me die.
If you ate one more piece, you could have been demolished.
Jimmy tried to kill me.
This is a situation for bow time.
Oh god.
That was too close. Dude, we have to make the boxes soon.
Yeah, I already made my box.
Did you paint it?
No, why?
We have
Oh
to.
god. I'm low on bolts.
I'm not. Wait, no, I'm pretty low.
Can I have some bolts?
Okay, yeah. I don't have.
I
any
only have
bolts.
one bolt.
Ow!
Dude, stop! I'm not even joking. Stop, Jimmy.
You're fine.
Stop. That's not funny.
Okay, hit
me
me
some
once
bolts.
with your sword. Hit me once. Once. Just tap me up, boy. Tap me. Bruh. What is this? Oh my god! You're actually a noob at you. Okay, you're good! Okay, now we'll both get one-shotted. Either way, whoever will win stays their keeps their stuff.
3, 2, 1, go.
Perfect void shield.
Oh god, oh my god, oh my god.
We don't know who's gonna lose first.
I don't want to.
No! No!
Oh god, oh god, oh my 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 god.
Hopefully my void shield.
Oh.
You're corner! Oh, frick. My void shields are gonna run out
building,
soon.
no building.
Okay, fine. No, okay, my void shields are about to run out. Yep, I knew it.
Come on, come on. I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
I'm all out of ammo, too.
Oh, yes, I have one more bullet.
Stop!
No! No! Dude! No, I lost all my stuff!
No, you still
Don't
have
you
it.
pick up any of that. I'm not joking. Jimmy, don't.
I won't.
Come on, I died.
We all know the king of PvP!
Mm-hmm.
I killed him. We were PvPing till death. But it's okay. He pulled
What?
out.
Dude!
He pulled out his.
Who said death?
You tried
You
to-
did!
We did. Yeah, we both
Press
did.
C, press C.
We both tried to kill each other till death.
Go to close.
Dude, you could. What the heck?
How did you lose it?
How are you looking at your frequencies? What did you? Oh, his void armor. Oh, John put it all in the chest. It's okay.
No, I didn't. I died. Jimmy, you killed me. That's why I dropped magnetite.
What if I?
Jimmy, do not touch my void armor. Jimmy, I'm not
I
joking.
told you still have your void armor.
Jimmy, don't.
That
Jimmy,
you
that's
dropped
not even
magnetite
funny.
because you had a magnetite bow.
Jimmy, don't even touch my armor. I'm not even joking. And I just lost all my void.
No, you didn't. It's in your chest.
I know, but I lost all my magnetite. My magnetite crossbow.
Yeah, it only takes 3 magnetite. You have the magnetite. I'll put more magnetite if you want.
Are you kidding me? This
What?
stupid shark.
This is funny to watch. Okay, it's okay, man. It's okay. We'll PvP after this and see who's the real god. Because we all know you're gonna win this time, John. It always jinx. I always think that I'm the best, and then I somehow die
I
the
had
next
to
round.
start over my stream because you laughed at me.
Wait, you did?
Yeah.
You purposely did that. Just because I laughed, that doesn't mean you start out your stream.
That's not funny, dude. Literally. Jimmy, I don't laugh at you.
Okay, fine. Sorry. I put more magnetite down. What do you want from my inventory?
All your crystal.
You're not getting my crystal.
Wait, how do I get rid of this?
Items. I'll drop him everything. He deserves everything. Everything he wants. I climb to the ends of the map.
God, it's so
Why
hard to
did
stream
you-
a video with Jimmy. Because he's always... You don't just take my stuff.
I'm not taking your stuff.
Just take my stuff. I'm about to leave, and that's about to despawn.
Okay, fine. I'll give it to you.
Take
then.
it.
What about your stuff? The stuff in the chest.
Yeah, go grab that.
Okay, good. I'll give it to you in the game when we get to the game. Okay. Do not leave.
I'm leaving.
Don't. Brushies. Can I open up? Can I break the chest?
Yes.
Will I lose? Will the stuff break?
No.
I'm hoping it doesn't, John.
It's not gonna.
Okay, good.
Yes!
Okay.
Okay, that was a good PvP, man. GG. We both did. I would have won, bruh. I got you. I let you hit me. Actually, I'll just open up my chest.
I'm mad.
Okay. I'm gonna leave the game and hopefully I didn't die, because I had low health. I don't think I left on myself.
What game should we play?
Do you want to play? Treasure Quest? The game that you're way
Dungeon
better
Quest.
than me at.
Dungeon Quest.
Yeah, that's my boy. I'm still filming. I think 15 minutes might be my max amount of time to film.
I can't spell.
I sponsor zombie